I was approached by the leader of the council in those days, Graham Stringer, to become involved in Hume. Graham said, in Hume, we've got a serious problem. He said, we have all these apartments. A third of them are empty. A third of them don't pay the rents. And it's bleeding the city to provide all the services, healthcare, education, police and services. We have to do something about it. Would you and your company be interested in coming to work with us to try and find an answer to that? But if you talk to Lord Heseltine about that, he would always say it was a game changer. Nobody had ever brought together a company, central government and local government, to come together to try and do something about a very difficult area. When the bomb went off on the Saturday, whatever it was, Monday or Tuesday, I got 2 calls within an hour, really. One from Richard Leese, who I'd only recently taken over as the leader of the council, and Michael Heseltine, I can't remember which one came first, asking me, would I consider becoming the chairman of this organisation that they were trying to create. You can't believe that something like that could happen in Manchester. We don't want to replace what it already is. We've got a once-in-a-lifetime chance to do something about it. It was a fantastic opportunity to bring central government, local government, and the private sector together to do things together that separately they can't do. I knew either the chairman or the chief executive of almost all the major buildings in the area. So I could pick, for example, Marks and Spencer's. And of course he came up and saw it and said he was going to rebuild it bigger and better. So I was able to speak to the chairman or chief executive of each of the big companies and say, look, the government are going to support the reconstruction of Manchester. So the government and the council are going to support it, but we need you to work with us. What we wanted was, when the core area was well on its way, we wanted it to spread out, you know. We wouldn't take responsibility for it, but we wanted other people, encourage other people. And that's what's happened as time has gone by. So the benefits that accrued from all the work we did in Manchester Millennium have grown and grown. And the quality of what's been achieved is a tremendous credit to everybody.